At April 1, 2017, the State Council officially issued the document, decided to set up a state-level new district. The Xiong'an area was successfully launched. As a second-class large city, the Xiong'an area is highly positioned. It aims to create a Beijing-Tianjin-Hebei city cluster that will surpass New York. The planning and construction of the new district will take a specific area as the starting point for the development. The starting area is 100 square kilometers. The medium-term development plan covers an area of 200 square kilometers. The long-term planning area is 2,000 square kilometers. In other words, the future area of the Xiong'an area will reach 2,000 square kilometers. Such a large city is not without a convenient transportation hub. The Xiong'an high-speed railway station was successfully launched. As the largest high-speed railway station in Asia, the total area of the Xiong'an station is about 150,000 square meters. The total floor area is 470,000 square meters, which is equivalent to 66 football fields. The station is located in the northeast of Xiong'an City. It is 20 kilometers away from the Xiong'an starting area. The station house adopts the shape of a water droplet ellipse. There was also a valley of light in the middle of the roof, which allowed the light to enter. A crack in the valley of light. While solving the problem of lighting and ventilation in the waiting hall under the bridge, formed a very characteristic optical valley. Optical Valley will be Beijing, Hong Kong, and Taiwan Farm and Tianjin Farm Natural Division. It also becomes an outdoor landscaped courtyard. As up and down through the daylighting corridor, bring in natural light and landscape. The design is similar to Beijing's Daxing Airport. When we stand in Beijing Daxing Airport and Xiong'an Station, a lot of natural light will come in through the roof. Don't turn on the light even on cloudy days. Natural light is abundant throughout the station room. Xiong'an Station House uses 3 floors above ground. Underground 2-story construction, the total size of the station 1119 line. Beijing, Hong Kong and Taiwan for 712 lines, Jinxiong for 47 line. In fact, from the building area alone, Xiong'an Station is not the largest in Asia. The Shanghai Hongqiao Station, for example, has a total area of 1.3 million square meters. The total investment is 15 billion yuan. Nanjing Station area is as high as 2 million square meters. So why is Xiong'an called the largest station in Asia? This is due to its clever design. The size of a high-speed rail station cannot be measured by area. I'm going to look at its stock channel. Xiong'an Station has planned 11 lines in the early stage, which means there are 19 high-speed railway lines. Later, it will increase to 13 sets of line 23. When you look at it, how would it feel to have 23 high-speed rail lines tied first? Besides, Xiong'an Station adopts the mode of integration of station and bridge. Ballastless track used directly within the range of station house. This is very rare in the world. However, the operation condition of the high-speed railway station with the combination of station and bridge is complicated. It is difficult to analyze dynamic performance and structural stability. Structure precision and deformation control are required. This poses a huge problem for builders. The main body of the Xiong'an Station is divided into 5 levels. The station is mainly on the ground floor and auxiliary on the elevated floor. Ground layer outbound. According to the construction personnel, the ground floor of the station house is the ground waiting for hall and the supporting public station. The second floor is the platform floor and rail transit R1. R2 line reserved platform floor, the third floor for the elevated waiting hall. The ground floor is for commercial development. The underground second floor reserves space for the planning of M1 line. Take into account all future lines and plans to be laid. Thus, secondary construction is avoided. As the largest high-speed railway station in Asia, the Xiong'an Station is of course extremely difficult to build. The foundation pit of Xiong'an high-speed railway station has a large area and high depth. The crack control of super long and thick mass concrete has a high requirement. Besides, most of the space of the project is tall space, and the section size of the concrete member is large. The maximum section of the frame beam is 1.7 meters by 3.9 meters. The maximum span is 30 meters. The design and safety control of high-depth support system is a major difficulty in engineering. The entire station is the same as Beijing Daxing Airport. Use the steel structure to erect. The maximum thickness of the steel plate is 8 centimeters. The heaviest steel sections reach 36 tons. Whether in transportation, installation or welding, are the control focus of the whole project. At present, The underground main structure of Xiong'an Station has been completed. The station building is under construction. It is expected to be in use by the end of 2020. When the station is completed, Xiong'an New Area can go directly to Beijing and Tianjin, Shijiazhuang and other major cities in Beijing, Tianjin, and Hebei, connecting different regions of Central China, South China, Northwest China, Southwest China, and Northeast China. Realize a half-hour traffic circle between Xiong'an New Area and Beijing and Tianjin, with Shijiazhuang 1-hour traffic circle. The structure of the Beijing-Tianjin-Hebei high-speed railway network will be further improved. We will facilitate people's travel along the routes to improve the radiation capacity of the new area to the whole country. We will promote the coordinated development of the Beijing-Tianjin-Hebei region. All have very important significance. In the future, 4 high-speed railway stations will be built in the Xiong'an New Area. Integration of the Beijing-Tianjin-Hebei City Cluster Transport Framework to provide people with a faster and more convenient way of transportation.